Hi, my name is Anna. My pronouns are she and her. I'm from the Early On Jura Research Center, and today I would like to invite you to create a rainstick or a shaker, depending how you would like to use it. We have a cardboard tube that could be from a paper towel roll or a wrapping paper. We have magazines and newspapers, glue and tape, scissors, and some little pebbles or grains like rice or popcorn kernels. Draw 2 circles that we will cut to use as covers of the ends of the tube. We carefully cut them. Alright, so now we tape the circles in place. Put the pebbles, the rice, and the popcorn kernels inside. Let's cover the other side. And it's already ready. We just need to decorate it to make it more colorful. Choose some colorful pieces from the magazine or the newspaper to cut and decorate our rainstick or shaker. And here we are. Show your colors. Spread some love.